Good morning, Ragi.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, thank you for joining today's interview session. How are you doing today?
I'm good, sir.
Good.
Thanks for asking, sir.
Yeah, before we proceed, can you please walk me through your introduction?
Oh, my name is Ragi Shekhar. I'm basically from Bihar, and I have completed my graduation with BSc Physics, and I have completed my 10th standard from Delhi Public School, and
Okay.
12th standard from also 12th standard also from Delhi Public School, and overall I have 2 years work experience with me, professional work experience with me.
Okay. On which technologies do you have experience?
I was working on Power BI.
Okay, Power BI. Okay. Can you tell me there are many technologies in the market, then why did you choose the Power BI?
Sir, there are few reasons. First of all, Power BI is the future. Second thing, we can for Power BI is very flexible. It's a it's such a handy means it's really easy to handle. It's really easy to present on real time. So this is the reason I'm on Power BI.
Great. Can you explain your roles and
Uh,
responsibilities in your project?
I was a senior developer, means I was the senior. I was developer in the company, and my role and responsibility. First of all, there were 6 developer in my team, and my roles and responsibility was to transform the data to apply the different filters, and I have to remove all the duplicate data, and I have to remove all the columns and all, and I used to create a perfect visualization tool for presentation.
Okay. Can you tell me how did you clean the data? How did
Uh,
you
first,
prepare it?
first of all, sir, there we get the data means we get the data in the various form, just like it's in Excel form or it's in HTML form. So what I have to do, I click on get data, I upload the data, and there
Okay.
I used to transform the data, and by using DAX functions, I used to clean the duplicate data, the extra rows, what I need. I used to calculate what I need to show to the show at the time of presentation.
Okay, using DAX, you used to remove the data, remove the column. Is that you are trying to tell me?
I used to clean. I used using DAX. I used
Okay,
to do the calculation. I used to
okay,
do the calculation because DAX is the we use DAX to do the calculation, and after that I create a perfect visualization tool for that.
okay. What is ETL?
ETL means extract, transformation, and load. Where we used to extract the data, we used to transform the data and load for presentation.
So what do we call in Power BI? What is component we have for ETL?
Ye-
Yeah. Okay. Can you tell me how can you rate yourself in SQL and Power BI?
If I have to rate myself out of 10, I'll rate 6 out of 10, sir.
6 out of 10. Great. Uh, have you ever got a chance to create a Sankey chart or custom chart?
Yes, sir. I have created chat.
Okay. Can you
I have.
explain? Do you know what is a ribbon chart? Condition formatting. Will you be able to explain what is condition formatting?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Let me actually.
Your role and responsibility was only related to performing transformation or implementing DAX function or everything you are doing.
Yes,
What was that?
sir. I have to transform the data, and I have to implement the DAX function and do the calculation or not.
You also did, right?
Yes.
Then have you used sum and sumx function
Yes,
in
sir.
DAX function? What is different between them?
some functions are, we can get the some function simply gives the value. Means if we want to get the calculate the value, some functions simply give the value, but some X function allow us to apply certain filters.
Okay. You also done the data modeling, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is modeling?
Sir, data modeling here is data modeling is basically we use to create the relationship between the tables, right? So if I have to create the relationship, I'll have to click on my I have to open my Power BI application. There is the option of data modeling. I'll have to click there. I can use to create the relationship between the two tables. Means I have to drag the table. Let's suppose I want to create a relationship between a table which is the number of employees and
Okay.
and the number of employees and the reason why they are leaving the means I have to really I have to create a relationship between the two tables. For a perfect visualization we use data modeling.
Okay. What is relationship?
The relationship is basically means to mm, to so to merge two tables. Let's suppose I have two tables, and I have to create a relationship between them. So first of all, I'll have to go to the data model option, and there I'll have to click on the let's suppose I have a reason table, and I have to create a relationship between reason table and I have to create the relationship between area. So what I'll do, I'll drag region section to area section and put there, and there it means I have to drag and keep there, so that there I can create the relation. That's how I can create the relationship.
Okay. Uh, what type of schema did you use in your uh, project? Do you know schemas in Power BI? Do you know fact table and dimension table?
Sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Will you be able to elaborate difference between fact table and dimension table? Have you got a chance to publish report to the Power BI service account?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how do you publish? Can you please tell
Sir,
us?
uh, first of all, I have just a second. So first of all, there is a workspace, right? First of all, I'll have to go there, whatever reports I have created, right? And whatever where it is saved on my system, I'll have to go to I have
Okay.
to go to workspace. There is the option, there's the option to publish, right? First of all, and I'll have to click on that option, and I'll have to upload the picture, and there we can publish the report.
Okay. Fine, Ragi. Uh, can you tell me what is report?
Report is the collection of visualization, I can say, sir. Right. Reports are the collection of visualizations.
Okay. And what is dashboard then?
Uh, so look, it's basically these are the building blocks of Power BI, right? So if
Yes.
I talk about dashboard, is a report. Let's say report is a collection of visualization in one and more than one pages. And
Okay.
if I talk about dashboard is a collection of visualization in a single page, which is very easier for us to represent. Right, it's in a single page, and we can, it is we can it is helpful in, it means it can be real time updated.
Okay. You said like you have connected data, right? To many multiple databases. So have you refreshed data source from Power BI services? No?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea about what is a gateway?
Yes, sir. Gateway is a bridge. Gateway is a bridge. Let's suppose, sir, means now gateway is a bridge to for the real time update. Let's say we are means gateway through gateway, sir. You can say whatever the updates are being, are be, let's suppose there is new employees are added, or anything new is ordered due to the help of gateway, it is updated automatically. Gateway is a bridge which is connected with Power BI and the system, right, sir? And the app, and the system which we through which we can do means all the which all the visualization.
Okay. Can you explain about your project?
Yes, sir. I have
Yeah.
a project. I was working on a project which was a bank. The data was a bank data. Basically, they wants to know why the reason they were leaving the customer.
Okay.
So, so basically, we were having 6 developer in our team, right?
Okay.
And there was a Scrum call. Scrum comments. There was our Scrum master has on a Scrum call. Our Scrum master, we have decided that means that this project will be completed in the 6 months, right? In which every developer gets a 2 month sprint time, right? And we used to the jobs were divided amongst all the developers. And every day there's a scrum call in the morning.
Okay.
Every day there is a scrum call where we used to discuss the blocker, that what problems we were facing previous day. We used to
Okay.
discuss the blocker, we used to came across the solution, right? And after that we used to means after that we used to every day there was a scrum call. We used to discuss the blockers and problems, and until and unless that blocker is not solved, we cannot move ahead. Means we have to clear the blocker, we solve the problem, and after that we move ahead, sir.
Okay. Great. Do you have any question to ask me?
No, sir. As
Hmm?
for now, right now, not any questions I have to ask.
Okay. Okay, Ragi, then we'll see in feedback session. Okay.
So,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Thank
Thank you.
you. Bye
Thank
bye.